Part 2 of the Seeburg MRA1 amp repair. The new transformer has arrived, and so the first step is we'll install it here on the chassis, which will require drilling 2 new holes and placing it in this location right here. And I'll put some rubber grommets around here where the leads go through. This was not done at the factory and could contribute to wear down the road, so I'm going to install grommets around here. Okay, the transformer is now installed and rubber grommets are placed right here where the wires go through the chassis. So we have that insulated nice. So now what I did is I installed my dummy load, which simulates both the field coil and the 8 ohms resistance of the internal speaker. And I'll go ahead and put the tubes in and we'll fire it up right now with no signal, check voltages and see where we're at. The tubes are back in. I have a Seeburg jumper plug here to bypass the mech switches. I have a brand new 2 amp fuse in the output, and the tubes are populated, so let's turn it over and start to fire it up. Okay, it's fired up, and at 122 line voltage we are getting almost exactly 24 watts output at less than 1% distortion, which is good. It's actually at a little over 0.5% distortion, so it's performing excellent. I'll have to clean up some of the wiring, but I wanted to make sure that I had the phasing of the output transformer right and checking the negative feedback and stuff like that. And it's a good, nice, clean signal here. And that's, like I say, that's testing full output at 1 kilohertz. These amps are not linear, so they will drop off. I increased the frequency response by eliminating this plate-to-plate capacitor that they have here, which tends to cut out a lot of the high end, and it really drops off bad. You can regain a lot of the treble if you eliminate this 0.01, or this is a 0.005 plate capacitor here. So I eliminated that, and there's no oscillations or anything. It's running nice and stable here. So we're going to button this back up, clean up some wiring, redo the power supply stage, and we'll check it out from there. Okay, I got the power supply rebuilt with new filter caps in place of the 70-year-old ones, and I put a terminal strip in there to keep it neat. Cleaned up a little bit of the wiring, shortened it up, and the amp should be good to go now. And here it is all wrapped up. Seeburg MRA1 amplifier that had a bad output transformer. Replaced it with a new modern equivalent and works great now. Low distortion, should be good for years to come. Hope this helps you out. Thanks, bye.